Good morning, the Chef George from the Evans by Your Catering Company. Today let's cook my favorite Italian pasta, linguine carbonara. Ingredients for the pasta. We have heavy cream, 1 cup, fresh parsley, 2 spoons of minced garlic, 7 whole eggs, bacon, but you can use pancetta if you like, pasta linguine, black pepper, Himalayan salt, and great fresh Parmesan cheese. We start with the olive oil extra virgin, and we put in the fry pan the bacon. We cook until the bacon is crispy. While the bacon is cooking, we mix the eggs with the heavy cream. We add salt and pepper, Himalayan salt, and pepper, and mix together. When the bacon is crispy, we put outside and reserve. We put the water, boil the water for the pasta with olive oil and salt. When the water is boiling, we add the pasta, linguine. We add the 2 spoons garlic, minced garlic. When we finish to cook the pasta, after 8 minutes, we add to the garlic that we have reserved 1 cup of the water for the cooking pasta. We add to this eggs and milk, and we mix, and we mix now for the carbonara. We add a little Parmesan cheese, mix. It's time to the pancetta or bacon, super crispy. At the end, we put the fresh parsley. We mix again, everything together. Look how beautiful. Creamy, colorful. It's incredible. This pasta, I love this pasta. It's my favorite Italian pasta. This is the final result. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. Follow me my YouTube channel, share, like, and the comments are very important for me. Thank you very much.